Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a burst in After Effects using Motion V2 by MtMograph. I highly recommend buying it as it is a very good piece of software, obviously, or sorry, plugin. It allows you to do different easy eases, different effects, and one of the greatest things on there is the burst. Instead of having to mess around with a bunch of parameters and everything, you can just click on it, set your parameters, and then it should be fine. So I'm just going to make a new composition here. Here we go. Alright, we'll just call it how to make a burst. Alright. So we'll need to open up Motion 2. Here we go. I need to quickly save that. Save changes. There you go. Alright, so you've got what you need basically. So I'm going to click on burst. It'll make obviously burst. Nothing will happen until you change these parameters though. So you've got a bunch of different stuff. For the time being though, I'm going to take the stroke off. I'm going to change the colour of the fill colour of the the baby bursts. That's what we'll call them. And I'll change it to white. And then that's what you basically need to do for that part, setting the parameters. And if you want something else, that's alright. You could do a bunch of cool effects with this actually. I might just quickly put this on quarter. Oh, what's it doing? Alright. Yeah, you could do a bunch of cool stuff with it. QuickTime is kind of lagging at the moment, but that shouldn't matter. Alright, so we've got that. Basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press T on my keyboard, no control, command, whatever. I'm going to set that, then go for obviously less than a second. Actually, we'll set that, the first one to 0, and the second one to 100. Then we'll get both of those. And then up here, you've got all your tools for Motion V2 by MtMograph. So this is your little anchor point chain, like to change your anchor point, and this is all your easy eases and everything. So I'm just going to drag that. And basically, what that's going to do is it's going to apply to the graph a very sharp, fast graph, and then it'll go down very slowly. So. So it's playing up a little bit. Anyway, so now we've got that. I'm just going to go in a little bit more. Actually, I'll just take this for the moment. And down. There we go. So now that we're in, we know that we've got our opacity change. Now what we can do is change our distance from center. So what we're going to do, we're going to click that slider, and then going to go up here and size that up a little bit. There we go. So you can size it up to whatever you want. I'm going to just do it to there. Then I'll get those two, chuck that on, and then we'll have that basically. That'll just go up, and then eventually, after not long at all, put the opacity down to 0 again, and that should be alright. So obviously you want to kind of speed that up a little bit though, so we can take that. Alright. Because basically with the bursts, obviously if you've seen them, you have to be very fast paced with them. So that's very slow for a burst. If you're going for that, then sure, that could be really nice. But for what we want to do, There we go. And even that opacity fade out kind of thing, even that's a little too slow, so we could probably just change that. Alright, and then we'll move that a little closer. But really all it is playing around with it and seeing what you get. And now we've got that. So I will provide a link in the description to where you can download that, even though it's pretty simple. But I'll put that in the description. And I'll also put a link in the description for MtMograph's Motion V2, so you can go buy it. It's very, very powerful and very great plugin to have if you're going to be doing this sort of stuff on the regular. And also me getting back into motion graphics, this is a really handy fit to have. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about learning together. I am not the best by any means whatsoever. I would actually class myself as pretty bad, sadly. But I want to learn, and I want to teach other people to the best of my ability. And yeah, that's what I'm aiming for on this channel.